the vast majority of the software development is being done within the supplier's quality system. And where the regulated company needs to be able to apply critical thinking is to be able to assess suppliers and their products, to assess the suppliers and say, have they got the right quality system in place? Are they using the right tools? Because if the supplier is depending on an awful lot of paper and is up to here with IQ, OQ, PQs, then my critical thinking tells me that that's not an up-to-date supplier. But a supplier that has the right tool sets, is following current good development practice, and is following ITIL or similar IT quality system type framework to manage operation and service delivery, that's the kind of critical thinking questions that the regulated company have to apply. And that means it must be the right people within the regulated company. They've got to have the technological insight to know what good technology looks like. And good technology and good processes and good documentation and information looks a lot different now than it did 25 years ago, because it's far more automated.